Hello 大家好, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Viviana Bertanza and since 2018 I work as an artist and creator for Nanjing Jinling Gold Foil company based in Nanjing, specialized in the production of gold foil, copper foil, but also products, artistic products. And as we are going to see today, edible gold foil. I'm not going to make this introduction too long and I'll leave you to the video. Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I feel particularly excited because I just received a package from Amazon. Hold on, reviews are already open a little bit. From Jinling. Jinling is the name of the company where I work, that is Jinling Gold Foil. Jinling is the international brand. It's actually products on Amazon, especially 24 karat gold foil and edible gold foil, both foils and flakes. So this time, because it was the first time, I decided to buy normal edible gold foil of small size, but in the website there are different sizes available. I will leave you the link below in the description. So the package is really small actually, and here it is. So this is the mark Jinling. Here is 24 karat edible gold leaf. Really cute. And let me see. Here are the specifications. I'm not gonna open it right now because I want to try to make maybe some sweet recipes and to use this edible gold foil. I feel very excited and let's see how it works. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's start. For this recipe we will need eggs, chocolate, butter, meat and sugar. Very few ingredients. Now chocolate and butter are melting together. This is the melted chocolate and butter. Let's mix. Here we are to the most exciting part of this video, that is edible gold foil packaging opening. So here we are. Here are the specifications. Size 4.3 centimeter, that is 1.7 inches. Gold content 24 carats. Wow. So inside it's like this, a booklet, and there is this kind of paper that is protective paper. I'm so afraid. So let's put it on a table. And there are 10 mini packaging like this. Cake is ready! Let's go to the oven. I guess we will need this. Here is the cake. Because the cake is big and the gold foil are very small, I think I'm gonna cut the cake in small cake pieces. So, here we are to the conclusions. What do I think about this edible gold foil? Well, I think it's great, of course. It doesn't have a taste. Actually, gold foil has not a special taste. But I think in a dish, the important thing is not only the flavor, the taste of the dish, but it's also the side. So how do you present it? The side can invite you to eat a dish or not. Sometimes it depends from the ingredients, if you like them or not, but most of the time it also depends on how does the dish appear. It has a really important role concerning to the presentation of dish. This is why in the haute cuisine gold foil is widely used. And will I use gold foil in the future to present dishes to my friends? Of course I will. I will prepare maybe not only sweet dishes, but I can try with salty dishes too. Gold foil. I think the effect will be amazed. My friend or my family members like this. Like what? What is this? Is it gold? Am I eating gold? This kind of feelings. Of course, I suggest you to try to use gold foil. I'm not a professional chef, as you saw from the video, but still I'm in love with gold foil in any kind of shapes. So I totally suggest you to try. It doesn't even cost that much. It is 24 karat gold foil. I paid €8 the packaging, and the expedition fee is talking about 24 karat gold foil. For the cake, I used 2 sheets. I will leave you the link of our shop on Amazon, because we just opened a shop on Amazon. So here is a link here below in the description. I hope you will try. And if you do, please send me a picture, videos or whatever you have. This is all for today. I spoke too much as usual. Bye bye!